Tesla vehicles can now order parts for themselves, and even more new features are rolling out to the fleet. This is Tesla Tidbits episode number 519 for May 8th, 2019. This show is sponsored by my supporter Richard. If you're in the market for a Model S, X, or 3, please consider using his referral code. Ask your salesperson to use Richard174 as the referral code, or go direct to the web link ts.la/Richard174 and pick up a 5,000-mile supercharging credit for your new vehicle. I've got a quick one for you today, with both stories coming courtesy of Teslarati. First up, looks like the vehicles are smart enough to not only detect something is wrong with them, but as one owner found out, even order parts for themselves. Redditor Houston_We Have a Problem had an issue with their Model 3 that apparently didn't prevent driving, but they did get the following message on the screen, quote, "An unexpected condition has been detected with the power conversion system on your Model 3. A replacement part has been pre-shipped to your preferred Tesla service center. Please use your Tesla mobile app or your Tesla account to schedule a service visit appointment now," end quote. Tesla picked this up on Twitter from a user tweeting about it and further responded, quote, "Yep, our cars can keep tabs on certain components to let you know if they need replacing and order parts ahead of your next service visit, like skipping the doctor and going right to the pharmacy," end quote. Definitely an awesome feature, because as we all know, service centers getting parts can sometimes be an issue. And if the part has already been ordered before you ever make an appointment, this can only increase the odds of a fast and pleasant service experience. Great forward thinking from the Tesla team. And lastly on our short show today, we've got more new features hitting the vehicle soon. Update 2019.16 picks up a pile of niceties, including lane departure avoidance and emergency lane departure avoidance that I told you about on the last show, enhanced driving visualization, Sentry Mode gaining the ability to be automatically armed when parking the car, the ability to take software updates as soon as they are available rather than waiting for a gradual deployment to the fleet, and finally, conditional speed limits where the car will make a determination based on time of day, weather conditions, and more on if you should maybe slow it down a bit further than the posted speed limit. This information is displayed in gray below the posted speed limit. The article believes that only early access program participants are currently getting the software, so us peasants don't get it yet, but we should see it soon enough. And that is it for today's show. Thanks very much to the super patrons supporting the show at the $10 plus level over at patreon.com/Tesla Tidbits. They are Drew Schuyler, John Waller, Ryan Scarborough, Lee Sweet, William Henry Crew III, Dorian Steve Guberman, Bruno Kundichi, Joey Boots, Ralph and Cheryl Waterhouse, Adam Rammer Brown, Megawatt Photovoltaic Development, Todd Sullivan, Robert Healy, Mitch Long, Zortec LED Canada, Morvan Ogg, Blake Thompson, Raymond and Deborah Malkowitz, T Sportline, Michael Pastroni, Travis and Cheyenne Rush, Cookie UK, Chris Hovis, Craig Murphy, Vicky Kirk, Ricky Johnston, Bien Concepcion, Nathan Garza, Paul Goona, and Ed Patterman. If you have feedback for me, the best way to be heard is to tweet at Tesla Tidbits and use the hashtag AskTeslaTidbits if you'd like your question to be considered for the show. I'll see everyone back here again on Friday. Until then, keep it charged and hit the road.